What's the most humiliating thing your ex did to you? You will never earn more than minimum wage, so stop being so picky and just work at McDonald's. Those are the words my ex-wife told me when I lost my job. All I had was a high school diploma while she had a PhD, and she made sure I'd never forget that. She told me if I ever had kids, I'd probably be a deadbeat father, and that was the last straw. Something sparked in me, and I began frantically looking for anything that could help me prove her wrong. That's when I found that a company nearby was giving free training to become an engineer, as well as promising a job afterwards. The catch was, they'd test you for hours, and you had to pay to take each test. I decided I had nothing to lose. I somehow passed and had to go train under an instructor for 10 hours a day. Every time I left the house, my wife would yell at me about how I was wasting my time. She would hide my car keys or empty my gas tank when I would go study instead of doing her chores at home. She even stole all the money from bank account when I refused to listen to her, and spent it all on a purse while I starved for a week. But I never gave up, and eventually, the company offered me a 6-figure salary, which was over 3 times what my wife made. The same day I served my wife with divorce papers, and the look on her face was priceless. She realized that I was no longer dependent on her, and tried begging me for forgiveness. She ended up having a meltdown when I blocked her and got fired from her job.